You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from the Avatar series. If you want to learn other names that are very confusing and many mispronounced as well from the series, make sure to stay tuned. We've got all of them, many more coming up. Stay tuned. From Chinese, Toph Beifong. Toph Beifong. English pronunciation, therefore, Toph Beifong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.